couldn't be more thankful to have a wonderful person like you to experience it with. And here's to many years of lots of fun and adventures.
Feels natural and normal, and it's just exciting. We're gonna do it. It's gonna be great. Love you.
It's not expecting Mike to always wear that halo that he often does.
It's true.
Or Jamie to always have the wings of an angel.
Well.
But it's cultivating flexibility and patience and understanding and forgiveness and having a good sense of humor at the same time. It's giving each other an atmosphere in which both of you can grow as one. We feed upon compassion and kindness and humility and gentleness and patience. Of all these miracle-grow virtues, put on love which binds them all together.
It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails.
And just knowing how you met in 2019 on Tinder, I mean, how Tinder is that?
Hi Mike, take you Jamie.
Hi, Jamie. Take you, Mike.
To be my wife,
To be my husband,
my partner in life, and my one true love.
my partner in life, and my one true love.
As I've given you my hand to hold.
So I give you my life to keep. There we go.
Stop right there. So good. 1, 2, 3.
Introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. McNaughton.
Sometimes I hear you calling. You know you're not around.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Mike and Jamie.
say it's alright. It's been no long, no leaving. You might be in the lighthouse, getting caught in the rain. If you're not into yoga, if you can't have a brain, you are living on a midnight in the dunes of a cave. So come and get your love, yes, we'll never be home, yeah, just as free.
We have all our ladies lined up here. Ready? Oh, Mr. Chandler is going to get married now.